Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include power windows, satellite radio, trailer brake controller, dual exhaust, heated mirrors. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2013 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, tires, front all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.